Good morning, welcome to another car review. I am so happy to review this beautiful 2019 Cadillac XT5 all-wheel drive. So I want to tell you a little bit about this car. This is fairly used. Only it's got about 20,000 or 25,000 miles on it. The crazy thing about it is, I think it's pretty crazy. The brand new ones, I have my piece of paper, brand new one was 58,000 price, but fairly used one is you can get about 33 to 34,000. So I'm gonna walk around this vehicle, and this is probably the best mid-size SUV. If you are looking at to purchase it, that would be probably the best vehicle you can get it out there in the market of 2020 February. So I know it's raining, shitty weather, but I still want to make a quick video about this car. So this one is a naturally aspirated 3.6 V6. Generates about 305, I believe, 310 horsepower and then 271 pound-feet of torque. Let's drive this car and to see how it drives. Oh, it's a little bit of bad weather right now, but I'm gonna drive this car and to see how it feels. So under the hood, like I was mentioning, it's a naturally aspirated 3.6 V6. It's got about 310 horsepower. It's enough horsepower for mid-size SUV, and it's got about 271 pound-feet of torque. And then let me grab my piece of paper. This is actually it's got a lot of good information up here. You know, like probably it's got so wet. So standard option, it's got some driver awareness package, which is safety seat alert, and then forward collision alert, and follow the distance indicator, line keep assistant, line departure warning, and then front pedestrian braking and low speed forward automatic braking and interlock beam. It's got some other options on it. So my first impression is such a premium luxury SUV you can get it. And the price point, what I was saying is, it's actually an amazing, you getting about almost a 50%, about 45 or 50% off what you get in the fairly used, only 1-year-old vehicle, and everything still smells like a brand new. Everything is the brand new. This vehicle, it's got about 28,000 miles on it. So enough talking about this one, let's just drive it and to see how it feels. So, and one of the crazy things is, put on the reverses, you just have to put on the neutral and then reverse. Kind of crazy. I don't think I've seen any other cars other than sport cars. So we're gonna put on the reverse, and here's a manual, and you can drive in a manual because it's over here. If you see, it's got a paddle shifter. Even though it's a SUV family size, you can still get the manual transmission, not manual, like. All right, driving 2019 Cadillac XT5. It is full-time all-wheel drive, and it does an amazing job to handling. It's got about 310 horsepower. It's not a super good on the horsepower, but it does pretty awesome job. So I do love this, some other safety features, so you can get it, which is blind spot monitor, line keep assist. It's got a heated and cooling seat. When I look at the window sticker, those are not extra options. Those are, you can get it on standard options. It is such an amazing car. You can get it. And as you see, as of today, the weather is pretty shitty, but I'm sure this all-wheel drive system does perfect job, because this Cadillac is doing an an amazing job. So, and it's got the OnStar, which is built-in Wi-Fi, and a 4G LTE. I think it's a 3G, comes with 1 year free, and after that you'll have to purchase it. Fortunately I do not know how much is the subscription cost, but it's got a built-in in it. So and I can feel this line departure is doing a good job. There you go. So what amazing. And I do enjoy this panoramic sunroof. It's not just panoramic roof, it's got a panoramic sunroof, and it slides. It gives an amazing experience while you're driving and cruising around with this Cadillac. So we're gonna a little bit slow down here because it's raining. So the feels and everything, this leather, and then this little bit looks like wood trim, it feels really premium vehicle. Yeah, this weather is pretty bad actually. Such an amazing luxury feeling to drive in this, like the Cadillac. And it has a built-in heated seat and cold seat, and blind spot monitor, and then I think it's forward collision avoid as well, and you can change it on the button right there. So here you go. Collision alert is what they call it. So such a nice thing. And then one of the things is I actually don't really understand. That's probably the first time I've seen it. There's got the teen guidance. I think it's teen, like a teenager safety features on it. So slows down. It's not slowing down. Park right here, and then I'm gonna show around the car one more time. So here is a Cadillac XT5 all-wheel drive, and such an amazing, great luxury vehicle. I hope you enjoyed this little short video. If you did, please make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe, so gives me make a lot of videos like this. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time.